Unscrambling the Tofu Scramble, a delicious English lesson. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a unique and flavorful phrase, tofu scramble. This term is not just about food, it's a part of English culinary language that can spice up your vocabulary. So, let's dive in and unscramble the meaning and usage of tofu scramble. Tofu scramble is a dish made by crumbling tofu and cooking it with spices and vegetables, resembling scrambled eggs. It's popular in vegan and vegetarian diets. But why should language learners care about a dish? Well, because it's a great example of how English incorporates specific terms from diverse cultures and diets, enriching its vocabulary. Just like the dish, the phrase, tofu scramble, has its own ingredients. Tofu, originally from Asia, refers to a food made from soybeans. Scramble, a verb, means to mix or stir quickly and carelessly. When combined, these words create a vivid picture and showcase English's descriptive power. You might hear tofu scramble in conversations about food, recipes, or dietary choices. For example, I made a delicious tofu scramble for breakfast. It's not just about stating a dish. It's about sharing cultural and lifestyle choices, which is a big part of language learning. Learning phrases like tofu scramble helps in understanding cultural contexts and the evolution of language. English is full of such phrases, especially related to food, which can make conversations richer and more engaging. We hope this video has given you a taste of how English language and culture are deeply intertwined with its vocabulary. Tofu scramble is more than just a dish, it's a symbol of linguistic diversity and cultural inclusivity. Keep exploring such phrases to enhance your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.